In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder in Gmail. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is open up my browser and head over to gmail.com. Once the page loads and I'm signed in, I'm looking at the main inbox screen where all my emails are displayed. This is where we're going to start creating a new folder, which Gmail calls a label. Now that Gmail is open, I want to make sure I'm in the mail section so I can see the full list of emails and options on the side. Usually Gmail opens right here, but if you're somewhere else, just click on Mail to bring up the inbox view. Once that's done, I'm going to look down the left-hand menu where all the different categories and labels are listed. This is where you'll find things like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and any labels you've already created. From here, I'm going to click on Labels, which opens up the label management area. This shows all the labels that exist in my Gmail account and gives options for creating new ones or editing existing ones. Now I'm going to click on Create New Label. When I do that, a small pop-up appears asking me to enter the name for the new label. This is basically what your new folder will be called, so I'm going to type in a name that makes sense for the emails I want to organize. As I type the new label name, you'll see it fill in the field. Once the name is entered, I'm ready to create the label. I'll click the Create button at the bottom of the pop-up. Right after clicking Create, the new label appears in the left-hand menu with all the other labels. That means it's now available for use, and I can start moving emails into this folder right away. It's instantly added and ready for organizing messages. At this point, if I open an email, I can apply the new label to it, and it will appear under that folder whenever I click on the label in the side menu. This makes it much easier to keep related emails together and keep the inbox tidy. So just to quickly recap what we did while you watch it on the screen, we went to gmail.com, made sure we were in the mail section, clicked on labels, selected create new label, typed in a name for the label, and then clicked create. Once that was done, the label was added to the left-hand menu and ready to use. And that's really all there is to it. Creating a new folder, or label, in Gmail is simple and only takes a few seconds. Once the label is created, you can start using it to organize emails right away, keeping your inbox cleaner and more manageable. It's a really handy way to make sure important emails are grouped together and easy to find.